This townhouse in Park Place is located within walking distance to Steele Creek Park for walking/bike trails, golf, playgrounds, picnics, splash pad, and overall family fun. This 2-bed 2.5-bath home shows like new and has all newer features and finishes. The unit offers a spacious open floor plan as you enter the front door. The living room provides ample amount of space and updated vinyl flooring that leads through the entire main level. The kitchen is light and airy with white upper cabinetry and gray lower cabinets to create a beautiful contrast. With the stainless steel appliances, modern bronze hardware, white countertops with gray veining, white subway tile backsplash, a breakfast bar, balcony access, and a cubby for a home office or eat-in kitchen area, there are no updates needed here. A half bath on the main is super convenient. As you wander upstairs, you will notice the new commercial-grade carpet on the steps made for easier cleaning. The upper level has 2 spacious bedrooms, one with sliding doors to an upper balcony. The master comes with its own master bath featuring tub/shower combination, a skylight, and an added linen cabinet. Between the 2 bedrooms is a full hall bath with tub/shower combo. The attic access is in the hall upstairs as well. The unit offers a large clean basement with drive-under garage. With ample space for 2 cars back-to-back or current owner using as home gym, either way there is tons of space for storage. The roof and water heater were replaced in 2020 and a newer heat pump less than 6 years old. Active association in place helping to keep the units uniform, and the exterior looking great. If you enjoy cycling or walking, the city trail runs directly behind the complex leading you to Steele Creek Park. All of this within minutes to shopping/